Now let's see the mechanism of acylation of amine. So we have studied acylation of amine where an amine reacts with an acyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Here I have written an acyl chloride, and an amide will be formed and HCl will be eliminated. So this is the reaction, acylation of amine. So actually the mechanism, so this reaction is actually proceeds through nucleophilic substitution reaction or nucleophilic substitution mechanism. So let us write the mechanism of acylation of amine. So here we can write the amine, the general formula of amine. We know that there is a lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom, and this is actually acts as a nucleophile. So amine acts as a nucleophile since there is electrons on nitrogen atom. Lone pairs of electrons are there, and this amine acts as a nucleophile, and these electrons are donated to the next reagent, that is acyl chloride. Here we can write acyl chloride in this way, and this electron pairs are donated to this carbon atom since this oxygen is electronegative and these electrons are shifted towards here, and there is a deficiency here, and this electron pairs are shifted towards here, and in the next step we can write R, N, H, H. Here these electrons are donated and there is a deficiency of electron and there is a positive charge on nitrogen atom, and this is attached to this carbon, and here oxygen gets a negative charge since electrons are shifted towards this oxygen, and this is R and this is Cl. So in this case oxygen gets a negative charge, there is a negative charge here, and nitrogen gets a positive charge because this lone pairs are donated to this carbon. So there is a deficiency on nitrogen atom. Now this electrons are going back and there will be a double bond and there is excess electrons and chlorine will be eliminated as Cl minus. Chlorine will be eliminated with the electrons, and here there is a deficiency of electron and these electrons are shifted towards this nitrogen. These electrons are shifted towards this nitrogen, and hydrogen will be eliminated as H plus. So H plus and Cl minus will be forming HCl, and the product will be R, N, H. Again N got the lowest electron pairs, then R, N, H, C, double bond O, then R. So HCl will be eliminated. So this is the product. So here amine will be acting as a nucleophile. So this reaction or acylation of amine is actually proceeds through nucleophilic substitution mechanism where this amine will be acting as a nucleophile since it has a pair of electrons, and this pair of electrons are donated to this carbon atom of the acyl chloride, and the first step this will take place and elimination of HCl will be takes place, and HCl will be eliminated and the product will be formed. So this is the mechanism of acylation of amine.